Hello hoppers and welcome to MuchoHop. I'm very excited about today's video because I'm going to film La Torre de Hercules, Hercules Tower. It is definitely the most important monument here in La Coruña, and it's the symbol of this city. What is it about this monument, this landmark, that is so important? I'm going to show you today. And they're great views from the top. I'm going to climb the 230 something steps and I'm going to show you guys the view from way up top. So let's go. Okay. It's such a beautiful sunny day today, so I figured it would be perfect to film the tower. So here I am. Not too excited about going up all the stairs, but so yeah, there's the tower, obviously. There's some great views of the ocean, and you have this park that is really nice. Like on a sunny day like today, it's really nice to take a stroll. You could take one of these segways, drive around the park or walk around the park, whatever you want. Bye! Hey, that's pretty cool. Okay, so I'm starting with the climb. The thing about this tower is that it's the oldest working lighthouse in the world. It was built by the Romans and it's nearly 2,000 years old. It's old and it works. I mean, it's a lighthouse, it lights up at night and it's to indicate to the ships that they are close to dangerous rocks and cliffs. So this tower has been able to withstand 2,000 years of winds and storms and just terrible weather. We're in the Atlantic Ocean here and we get pretty rough weather. Parts of the boardwalk are destroyed in the winter time here due to the big storms and winds and the big waves. So yeah, it's a tough cookie. So in the old days, you can imagine there were no light bulbs or any electricity. So they actually had a fire up at the top, and that's where the light would come from. Imagine having to take wood all the way up and light a fire there, you know, like send more wood. So once you get up here, you can walk around the tower. You could go to the first level, that's free. But if you want to go inside, you want to climb the stairs, you want to see the museum, the tickets are sold right there. Check also the hours. I think today they close at 9 o'clock at night. So general admission is €3 and the reduced admission is $1.50. And for children, I think it's free. And be careful with the schedule, with the hours. They have a winter schedule and a summer schedule. They do not close at 9 today. They close at 6. So be careful with that. Okay, so they have a museum here. And this is the base of the tower. Really, really cool. Look at this. So you could see the Roman origin of the tower. You could see like the old part of the tower, what the Romans originally made, because it has been renovated since, obviously, in 2,000 years, right? Okay, so let's go up. so bad. I'm almost there. And it's not claustrophobic at all. There are windows all over the place. So it's okay. Almost there. It's really worth it, you'll see. Let's continue. I think I'm here. Which way is it? This way. So that continues up to the light. Okay, hoppers, I hope you enjoyed this visit to La Torre de Hercules. If you're ever in Coruña, I recommend that you come here. It only took me about 10 minutes to go up the stairs. If you're here, come to La Torre. You have these wonderful views and lots of fresh air. See you guys, and thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, now back down.